We share our experience and knowledge to help you navigate the complex world of copyright and how to stay on the safe side. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for expert advice and guidance on creating videos. So, whether you're looking for inspiration for your own channel or just looking for something new to watch, be sure to subscribe to our channel for a steady stream of copyright-free content ideas. 1. DIY tutorials. Share your knowledge and skills with your audience by creating videos that teach them how to complete different projects and tasks. 2. Product reviews. Give your audience an honest and detailed review of different products that are relevant to you. 3. How-to guides. Create videos that provide step-by-step instructions on how to do various things. 4. Travel vlogs. Share your travel experiences with your audience by creating videos that document your trips. 5. Food videos. Create videos that show how to cook different dishes or showcase your favorite recipes. Thanks.